Hi everyone, welcome back to my new 3-part series on how to get clear. So I am addressing this because there's so many people out there that are feeling tired, low energy, or maybe even feeling kind of down or depressed. And these can be symptoms of not having a very clear energy field. And so I'm finding more and more that this is a really important tool. It's important for you to understand how to get clear. And so today in this first part series, I'm going to show you some of the tools that I use to clear my energy field. If I'm feeling a bit heavy or negative or in any way feeling out of sorts, this can really help me, and so I wanted to share these tools with you. So first of all, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the Tibetan Bowl. I got this in India about 5 years ago on my travels, and I'm finding more and more that sound is a powerful tool for clearing our energies. And so either you can play the bowl and kind of pass the bowl around you, as I'm going to do right now, or you can actually get somebody else to play the bowl and actually go over your whole energy field, especially over the 7 chakra points. So you just hit the bowl. I like to pass it through my third eye. You can pass it over your throat if you're finding you're having difficulty with expressing yourself, over your heart chakra and so forth. This is a wonderful way to clear your energy field because the power of sound is incredible. Okay, so I'm going to show you my second little tool in my basket, and this is called Crystal Castle Clearing Essence. I did get this in Byron Bay area, but you can probably find this or something similar to this. Perhaps you can buy it on Amazon.com or eBay or in your local kind of spiritual bookshop. They often sell these kind of sprays. This is really great for carry-on because I believe it's 100 milliliters, and so I always take it with me traveling. This is my quick go-to clearing. And so you just take it and you spray it like this over your head. You might want to do it about 3 times. And anywhere else you feel you're needing to be clear. This is also really great for clearing the hotel room space. There's a lot of weird energies in hotel rooms. Maybe you go in and you just feel like it just doesn't feel comfortable. And you're not allowed to burn sage in a lot of these rooms. There's no smoking. So this is a great tool for taking with you on your trip and spraying your hotel rooms and clearing that space. Another wonderful tool that I use, it's called Palo Santo. This is from Ecuador, from the Amazonian region. It's a very holy, sacred wood, and it's quite powerful for purifying your energy field. So it's a little bit, sometimes it's a little bit hard to get lit. It's one of those woods that is very slow burning and doesn't stay lit for very long. But I love the smell of it, and it is a really wonderful way to cleanse your energy field. And you just take the Palo Santo once you've lit it, and you just go over, again, going over your head, going over your throat and all your chakra points, and even going into the back. And if you need somebody to come and help you, of course, ask for assistance, and you can cleanse your field that way. And when you're doing a cleansing, it's really a good idea to really be thorough. Cleanse, the outer arms, the inner arms, the 7 chakras, the front and the back. And I have also been told a great tip is to cleanse the feet. I'm not going to show you my feet, but the soles of the feet, we tend to pick up a lot of toxic energies via the feet and the hands. So cleansing the palms with the Palo Santo, cleansing the feet with the Palo Santo, and the soles can be really beneficial for clearing out any lower vibrational energies. So that's it for today. I'm excited to have you on this journey, and on part 2, I'm going to go into more tools for cleansing yourself, as well as visualizations that I use and other methods for cleansing your energy field. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to sharing more with you on part 2 of how to get clear. Have a great day and night wherever you are, and if you want to know where I am or what I'm doing in the world, just visit my website at www.spiritweaverjourneys.com. Namaste.